Introducing Foton Traveller XL 19-seaters 2023 model. Technology and performance. Powering the Traveller XL is a Euro 4 compliant 2.8-liter Cummins ISF engine mated to a 5-speed manual, and this particular configuration, it makes 148 horsepower and 325 Nm of torque. Commendable numbers given it has to haul up to 4,035 kilograms fully loaded or gross vehicle weight. It also offers sure-footed and safe handling thanks to 215 by 75 R16 wheels at each corner, along with the anti-lock brakes with electronic brake force distribution. With a body measuring at a 5,990 millimeters in length, 2,320 millimeters in height, kaya mataas, hindi ka mahirapan pag pumasok at lumabas, and 1,920 millimeters in width, kaya maluwag sa loob. The Traveller XL has individual seating for 19 people with a 3,720 millimeter wheelbase, kaya hindi masyado siya matagtag, kaya komportable pag dinala. There's also commendable interior space for everyone aboard. In terms of warranty for Traveller XL, 5 years or 150,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. God bless mga ka-Foton.